Hannah here, and I'm back for another vlog. So for this vlog, I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I have a box here. I have this for a couple weeks already. It's from Amazon. I was gonna open this together with my ring light, but apparently the ring light was sent back to Amazon. I don't know why, but yeah, they've just emailed Jason. It was Jason who bought this one for me. This is a microphone for my camera. My camera is Fujifilm X-A5. So we're gonna open this box tonight and we'll see if it's worth it and if there's any difference with the sound, with my voice, whatever. Okay, so they're actually not that bad. Like, it arrived pretty fast. The only thing was the ring light. The ring light got lost. So, I'm gonna do another unboxing video of that ring light when it arrives. So there you go. This is it. Alright. So here, this is a Rode microphone, or yeah, a Videomicro compact on camera microphone. Why did you choose this one?
Good reviews.
There you go. So we'll check if it's really good. Yeah, we also, we've decided to buy this one as well because the Fujifilm X-A5 has got the flip LCD on it, and then if I put the microphone on top, then I can't use the flip LCD. So I have this one that this is what do you call this? An extension bracket. I'll show you later. I'll just unbox this and I'll let Jason do the rest because I'm not a techie person. So I'll just show you what's inside this box. There you go. So let's have a look at the guide. There's a guide here. So there's a quick start guide. There you go. We'll choose the English because there's no Filipino. I can't read Chinese. Anyways, so this one is that's number 2. Okay, so this one, I don't want to ruin it. This one is the microphone body. So you say something on this one. Hey, hello, hello, what's up? And then this is the WS9 Deluxe windshield. This is good if you take a video outside or any outdoor videos. So it prevents the wind from what do you call that? It prevents the wind from doing like that. Yes. So you can put it back. That's how it looks like. So it will be, I don't know, like that on my camera. Hello, hello. Yeah, or like that. I don't know. And then this one here is number 3. This is the shock mount. The Rycote Lyre shock mount. So this is supposed to attach in here. There you go. It's supposed to look like that. And then I have here the 3.5 millimeter dual mono output cable. Yes. So this one, we will be attaching it to here. And then because my camera, the Fujifilm X-A5, have the 2.5 millimeter thingy, then jack Then we bought an adapter as well. So there it is, guys. The adapter. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so this is the adapter. And then what you're gonna do is to attach this one to here. And then this one will be attached to my camera. Alright, so I have this one as well. This is the extension bracket that goes to the side, I think. Is it to the side?
Yep.
It goes to the side of the camera, and I don't know how this one looks like. Goes something like that. And then the microphone stand here. No? I don't know. He says no. The cameraman says no. Anyways, I'm just here to unbox this. I'll let Jason do the rest of how to do this because, yeah, that's what I've said. I'm not a techie person. So I'll take over of the camera and I'll be the one taking videos of Jason attaching this to my camera. So I might use my phone to take a video with him. Alright? So I'll see you later, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jason and I'll do the audio.
Really? You're gonna speak for me?
I'll speak for you.
Thanks.
Hey guys,
Alright, can I ask a question? On which side do you want it? This side? Like that? Because that's where the microphone cable goes.
I think so.
Yeah? Okay. Cool. It's pretty straightforward. This slots in to, I think they're called like a hot mount or something like that. So it slides in.
Maybe have a look of the photo on that box.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing. I don't need instructions.
No. Oh my god.
Oh man. That's what it looks like.
Where did they put it?
Well, that's a different camera tube.
So if it's like that, then it's on the left.
Yeah. Which is this side.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So it just screws in to there. So normally it would sit there, right? But as you said, your mirrorless flip LCD thing doesn't allow you to do that.
Yeah, so this is, can you show them how?
So if it was sitting up there, and it's in the way.
Yeah.
So
I don't really like that camera for vlogging. I really thought that it's good for vlogging, but
it's alright. So this thing's really good as well, the bracket. So I chose it because you can still screw something into the bottom, so you can still use your tripod.
yeah.
Because you put your tripod mount there. So that's why I got this one for you. So this screws into the bottom where you would normally put your tripod. Like this. May as well make it straight. Okay. And then probably should have removed the plug before I started this. Hang on. No, it's all good. It's all good. That goes there. This plugs into there.
Where?
Into the side. Like that.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Here.
Yep.
This one here. Yeah.
Done.
That's it.
That's it.
Maybe we'll test.
Let's test it.
Hey guys, I'm back. So the microphone is already here. I don't know if there's any difference. I don't know if you can tell, but I think there is. I don't know. I took a video before and I tried to play it and compared it to the other video that I took earlier. But yeah, it's actually better. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, please comment down below if you think that there's a difference with my voice now and my voice without the microphone. Yes. So I'll see you guys next time for another unboxing video. Thank you for watching and good night.